What's going on, everybody? So got our third brake light up there on the truck cap that we want to wire in, and we're going to wire in our strobe lights that we got here. Built this custom strobe light bracket, goes up and over, connects down over on that side there. So we're going to run our switch up to the front for the strobe lights, power, ground, and whatnot up there, direct with the battery on its own self switch. Then we got our third brake light that we're putting in. So we got to pull out the rear tail light here, and up in here you can see up. We're going to run our wires through here, come up through, and in behind here and up through. So we're going to disconnect our truck cap right there. We're going to lift it up, pop our little plastic piece off that comes on the truck from factory. We're going to pop that out, and then we'll drill a little hole in right here. Drill a little hole, add some extension wire and whatnot. So this little plastic piece was down in under here, attached right there. So we popped that out. We found our spot where we want to put our wires through. So we're going to go ahead and drill a hole here, and so we can get our wires to go through. Shouldn't need too big of a hole. We're just putting some small wires through. You know what I mean? So should be more than enough, I think. And we got to get down underneath. So to hook up your truck cap, I was thinking that I had to go through this wiring harness for the tail light, but your signal and brake light come from the same wire. Then you have a power for your tail lights and a ground wire. So the brake and the signal share the same wire, so you got to get down underneath. Down underneath here. Alright. Then there's, right up here, you got this wiring harness. You want to pull it off, and on the front side of it, there's a little green wire. It's, well, light green. You want to go and splice that back and just tap a wire in. You want to disconnect it, you want to pull it down, you want to find the green wire. This light green wire is your brake power wire. So that's what signals the signal to the back. So you want to find this wire and you want to tap into it just before the connector. So we got our wire and stuff here, and we tapped into it. Now we're just retaping things there now. Just wanted to show you guys where it is, and we'll get up to the remainder of the stuff there pretty soon up top. And then we're going to take our ground wire and we'll put it up here. We took our spare tire down because we put in aftermarket exhaust. So we'll use probably one of these bolts here. We're hoping that one of these here will give us a good ground because it connects right to the cross members. So that should give us a good ground running right there. So tap into here, run all your wires up and around, probably zip tie them there so they're nice and secure, and you have your third brake light up and going in no time. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe. We'll see you guys all in the next one.